morning, dear hearts. We are on lesson 208 in our review, our last review in part 1 of the workbook, my favorite review. I haven't said that in a day or two. It's true though. And lesson 208, please subscribe. And I am not a body, I am free, for I am still as God created me. Our little celestial holy earworm. We want that to work in the new pathways within our mind, that we remember it. And it's almost like a little sing-song kind of nursery rhyme. It's easy to remember. It does. It rhymes. Free and me, I'm free. I'm not a body. I am free, for I am still as God created me. And there's a lot of stillness in today's lesson as well, in the expansion, the explanation in the italics of today's lesson. And it tells us, I will be still. Okay, there's a little bit of a declaration. I will be still, and let the earth be still along with me. And in that stillness, we will find the peace of God. It is within my heart, which witnesses to God Himself. Within my heart, which witnesses to God, where God abides, which was in yesterday's review, within my heart, where He abides. How close are we to our Father? How close to our Creator, to our source? Within my heart, where He abides, which witnesses to God Himself. Within every heartbeat, I come closer and closer to my Father. I cannot possibly be apart from Him when He is within me. There can be no separation between my Father, my source, my Creator, my celestial parent, and me. We are one together. And let all of the earth be still along with me, in recognition of our closeness, in recognition that we indeed are one, in recognition that we are free because we are created by God. I'm still, I continue to be, I am constant, I'm consistent, I am motionless within God. I am still, I'm calm, I'm quiet, I'm tranquil. There is no chaos or disturbances within the quiet, tranquil, still mind of my Creator. And when I decide I will be still, I get to join that. I get to go into that space where no temptation from the ego mind can come towards me. I have claimed my stillness. I have decided that none of that is real. Nothing that the ego has ever offered me is real. None of it will ever bring me peace. None of it has a way to bring me constant, eternal, timeless happiness. It's all illusion. It's all smoke and mirrors. It comes and goes and goes and comes again, but it is not truth. For me to be still within the mind of God, that is where my truth lies. That is where my wholeness lies. That is where I truly am as God created me. That I am statement, which I've said many times throughout the year so far, how powerful the I am is. It is a declaration. It is a knowing. And so I am not a body has such power to it, because it is my declaration of what I am not. I am spirit. I am not the body that the ego perceives me as. I am free. I am free of body identity. I am free of all of the limitations that the ego has placed upon me. And I am still. I'm still, no matter what I have done, no matter what I think I have done, no matter what sins I think I have committed. None of that is real. None of that is true, because I am still as God created me. I have not changed. I am changeless. I am timeless. I am eternal. And in that stillness, I find the peace it is within my heart, which witnesses to God himself. It is within my heart where God abides. So I have never changed, and neither have you. We've gone on these great imaginary adventures, some of them seeming to be happy for a while, some of them filled with pain and suffering, and none of them were real. Now we come back to the awareness and the truth that I'm not that body. I'm not any body. I am God's child. And we eliminate the idea of body identity. And instead of saying, everybody, come with me, we say, everyone, join with me. Join with me in the heart of God. Let us come home together. Let us know once and for all time we are as God created us. We are not those bodies. We are not those false ideas. We are not anything that we thought we were. And in every heartbeat, I come closer and closer and closer to my Father's heart. And we merge into oneness as we are meant to be. Deep within the heart of God, there we abide, and there we are one. And there we know that we are free, and we are still mind, still complete, still as God created us. That's it for today. I hope it helped. And I always say I hope it made sense, because sometimes for some it may not. I've had some questions. I try to always answer them. But we are still as God created us. That will never change. So please like, please share, please subscribe, please comment, please pray, some new sunflowers, and please be here tomorrow as we go into another beautiful lesson, one that links and weaves very well with yesterday's and today's. They all do, you know. They all weave together. We are creating a beautiful spiritual tapestry. Namaste.